Had a gentleman to give me a call last week. He called me because he was taking a 600 milligram dose of what he had no clue. He didn't know if it was a full spectrum or if it was an isolate. And I'll let you guys know, full spectrum meaning it has 0.3% THC. Isolate has no THC. But what I have with me today, and I'm going to show you guys here in a second, I have right now a isolate. Right. So, but let me get back to the story. The gentleman was 74 years of age. He's taking CBD because he wants to go to sleep at night. Full spectrum CBD. But once again, he didn't know if he was taking a full spectrum. But the isolate wouldn't put you to bed. But the full spec would put you to bed because it has the THC component that gives you that extra kick, of course, that gives you that peaceful night's sleep.
It's
Right.
it's a obviously a derivative of the full spectrum oil, and it does have clinical proven abilities to help with sleep and sleep deprivation. We're actually going to put a link down in this description of the video to where we found that information on a medical guide. And I think another thing that we discussed on that too is one size does not fit all.
Right.
In CBD.
Right.
And that's something to really make sure that everyone understands out there. So we can teach you a little bit about it. There's a lot of things that go on into it, just like if you have a surgery or if you see a doctor or weight and height and everything else. But Charles is exactly right. When you start taking CBD, which everyone should, because of all the benefits that go along with it, but start with a half a drop, go from there, see how it progresses. And I think you have a couple other points you wanted to throw out.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Brian. Well, getting back to to the gentleman, I communicated with him and I told him just start out from where you are, which of course, like I said, 600 milligrams. I told him to kind of walk slowly with it, kind of tread lightly. But for a lot of people that are starting that are not like him, that's never bought any CBD before, this is what I want to do for you guys. I just want to show you guys how to actually consume CBD. Okay, this right here is I don't know if you guys can see this. It's right here is a 500 milligram full spec. I just put my isolate over here to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to consume some right now for you. Now, versus me taking the full, what do you call this thing? The dropper? Yeah, the dropper.
It's called a dropper. All of our droppers and most of the droppers out there are 1 full milliliter.
Absolutely. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to take baby steps. I'm going to show you guys how to take baby steps. This right here is a half dropper. What you do is you take it half dropper, and there's indicators on the dropper. Underneath the tongue. I'm talking while the stuff is underneath my tongue, guys, so excuse me how I sound. So what you do is you put it underneath the tongue, and it absorbs quicker, of course, because the jawline and, of course, under the tongue has these tiny blood vessels and capillaries, so that helps the product to absorb quicker. So you give yourself maybe 10, 15 minutes, and then it will be in your system. And of course, you're not gonna feel a high, you're not gonna feel a calm, but yet there's gonna be something that comes over you, and the situations that you encounter won't be the same. And I can tell you that because I can just tell you, because driving is the biggest thing for me. I drove over here to come to meet with you, and traffic is always terrible. For anybody that travels through Georgia or Atlanta during, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, traffic's high. So I do take it, and it minimizes my stress. So that's when you'll know, if you look at what happened to you last week versus this week, when you take the product, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Right. Oh, were you?
No, no, he's exactly
Okay, cool.
right. Just take it in steps. Start with a half milliliter, go with a full, drop it after a couple days, and sit down, assess how you feel. That's really the best way to do it. Because you could sit here and drink the whole bottle. There's not going to be any side effects, but at the same token, there's going to be a lot of CBD in there. So always gradually go up. If you need a little bit more, take a little bit more. Just don't go out of hand.
Yeah.
And whatever you do, make sure you consult a doctor as well to be on the safe side. If you are taking any medications, make sure that CBD will work, or it may not work with what you're taking. But always consult a physician before you do that. If you just have headaches and you're taking aspirins and everything, take a step back, try some CBD. I think you'll be surprised on what it can do for you.
Well, which is absolutely true.
Yeah,
but
absolutely.
I have some different news though, because I had communicated with a local doctor here. You can actually take CBD with other medications.
Oh no, you can, but you just want to.
Because it won't interrupt. And that's what I'm saying. I spoke to the doc, and because that was one of the questions that I had been posed, that I was asked once before, and I got the text message in my phone. Can I take CBD with other medicines?
Right.
And of course, I said, sure, you could. After gaining the knowledge, because I wouldn't tell you guys anything that's wrong, but I would give you the information that's right and something that's tried and true, and also that a doctor's provided. So, as always, I don't have anything else. Brian, do you have anything else? But yes, I do. Please subscribe, and he's going to provide links at the bottom to all the information that we went over today. Click the like button, because you'll see more of our beautiful smiling faces in the near future.
Hit the button. Thank you so much. Brian and Charles from SolarSpex Organix.
And we're out.
Have a great one. Thanks,
See you guys.